Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit your LinkedIn post. Whether you've spotted a typo, want to update some information, or just add something new, LinkedIn allows you to quickly edit posts without having to delete and start over. So let's dive in. First, open LinkedIn on your mobile device. Go ahead and find the post you want to edit. Then go ahead and tap on the three dots right here. Here you'll see many options. Go ahead and tap on edit post. Now you can update your text as needed, correct any typos, add new information, or change anything that no longer applies. Once you're happy with the changes, double check everything to make sure it looks exactly how you want it. After making your edits, click on save. And that's it. Your post is now updated with your changes visible to anyone who sees it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.